Another grateful day, another day to share. So, meron tayong event today. At ito nagluto si husband ng adobo. At ito naman ang aming ulam na rin at breakfast. Bali, pagkain na rin ito ng aming mga crew. Kaya nagbaon na rin kami for their lunch. Kasi maaga ang ating setup for today. Welcome to my vlog! Ganyan ang dami namin. Fully load ang aming sakyan na pati dito sa harap. Yan, meron kaming mobile playground and learning ground. Bali may educational toys yun. Tapos may bread buffet. And ayun, dito kami sa Queens Pia, located sa San Fernando. Samahan niyo ako!
A few moments later.
So, ayun guys, nakapag-set up na kami dito sa Pia's event place. So, ayan, our theme for today is Wild West or Cowboy. Yeah. So, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung kinuha sa amin ni Ma'am. It's painting, activity, bread buffet, and mobile playground with educational place. So, ayan. Ayan guys, ang ating sample setup for our educational toys with mobile playground. So, marami tayong hindi nailagay na toys guys kasi limit lang ang ating space. So, ayan. So, more on educational toys tayo guys in where kids can learn while attending the party. So, ayan. And at the same time, pwede sila magkaroon ng bonding with their parents. Ayan, ang ating activity corner, which is painting activities. So, ayan, ang trampoline. Ayan, guys. Tapos, may mga toys din dito. Slide and swing. Then, meron din tayong Lego here. Kung nandito yung Lego, ayan. Ayan yung Lego. Kitchen. Then, may mga flashcard tayo dito. And, ito rin. Flashcard. So, that's it. So, yan. Kids can able to learn while attending the party. So, ayan ang ating mobile playground with educational toys. So, of course, meron tayong house rules. 5 years and under itong playground natin. So, we have 2 assistant crew here, guys. So, ayan. Tayong bread buffet. Ayan sa likod natin. So, check natin. So, here is our sample setup of our bread buffet. So, isa lang ang ating style. So, depende lang yan sa motif, ang color. Ayan. Sumasabay lang tayo dyan. So, ayan, makikita nyo a variety of breads. So, meron tayong spreads, different kind of spread dito. Kasi yung iba gusto na may palaman. So, meron tayong dinner square. Yung all-time favorite ng mga Pinoy is cheese bread and Spanish bread. Ayan, that's barquillos, mongolof, cinnamon, Spanish bread ulit. Then, panticoco is best seller. piyaya, cheese bread. Then, ito is a pandesal. Egg pandesal to. Ristica bread. Choco croissant. Yan. Classic. Mamon. Hopia dice. Banana bar. Meron tayong English muffin. Classic donuts by Lola Nena. So, yung favorite din ng mga guests yan. And semi-maida loaf. Wheat loaf sa mga health conscious or nagda-diet. Egg sticks, choco waffle, and mamon. Then meron din tayo 10 liters ng juice. So ayan guys. So meron tayong oven toaster dito, and where baka yung ibang guest gusto magpainit ng bread, mas gusto nila mas mainit yung bread. So, ayan guys ang ating setup. Naman ang Thais and Shara stylus. So, ayan. Cowboy style nila. Design. So, yun guys, dito sa ating mobile playground, meron tayong for emergency purpose, yung pang-choke. So, pag naka-choke yung bata ng toy, dahil maliliit yung toys natin. So, meron tayong for emergency use na sana hindi magamit. So, ito yung pag sa mga nakaka-choke ng toys for me. So, standby lang din to. Then, meron din tayong alcohol. So, ayan, spray natin siya ng alcohol. So, yun lang, guys. Yung rides.